tire pressure warning lights on in a BMW 1 Series. Just down here you have the tire pressure low, and you also have the symbol up here. And in the infotainment section you have the right hand rear tire pressure low warning on as well. So in this video I'm going to show you how to reset that now. So with the ignition on, you come over to the center section. Down here, just beside the gear stick, is a control, and you use that to scroll up and down in the menu. You go into the vehicle information, vehicle status, and then you see confirm tire pressure there. You click on that. Initialize tire pressure, click on that, and you can see it's resetting the flat monitor. Click OK. Activating. Alright, after you've done that, you bring it for a short test drive and you make sure that the warning light has stayed off, and that is how you reset it. And as you can see, the tire pressure monitoring system has now been reset and the warning lights have gone off. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.